How to change your birthday or birth date on your Snapchat account. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snapchat. Then as you see on your Snapchat it's opening, you go here on your profile and click. Then you go to here on settings and click. Then you go to the third option, birthday. You click. Then this is your birthday. You will just click or you will go down, and here you can change your birthday like as you wanna, or edit as you wanna do. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question can write it down and comment, and see you next video.